Good morning everyone. Today we discuss about animal tissue. Kingdom Animalia consists of unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms, these are single celled organisms. For example, amoeba. Amoeba is a single cell organism. The functions are performed by single cell. The functions are performed by single cell. These are digestion, respiration, reproduction. These functions are performed by single cell. In multicellular organisms, these basic functions are performed by different groups of cells in a well-organized manner. Different groups of cells in well-organized manners. Simple organisms like Hydra. The body is formed by different types of cells. Each type of cells consists of thousands of cells. In complex organisms like humans, the cells are billions of cells present in humans. These cells performs various functions. Cells, tissue, organ systems, organism. Tissue means a group of similar cells along with intercellular substance performs a specific function is called tissues. Tissues means group of similar cells along with intercellular matrix that performs a specific function is called tissues. The study of tissue is called histology. Histology or microanatomy. Tissues are basically four types of tissues present in complex organisms. These are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Four basic tissues are present in complex organisms. These are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Tissues are formed by cells and intercellular substance. These cells are well organized manner. To form organs. Two or more organs forms organ systems. Organs are stomach, liver, kidney, heart. These two or more organs forms organ systems. These organ systems performs specific functions by the physical and chemical interactions between the organs. The organ systems are performed by specific functions by a physical and chemical interactions between the organs. These all performs. These all shows division of labor. That means these splits their functions. These are the four basic types of tissues. These performs different types of functions. The composition and volume of extracellular fluid or intercellular fluid varies from tissue to tissue. Tissues to tissues. Next, epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue covers the body surface and internal organs or cavities. Body surface or internal organs. Internal organs or cavities. Epithelial tissues covers the body surface and internal organs or cavities. Epithelial tissues are formed from basic germ layers, any one of the germ layers. These are ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Epithelial tissues are formed by any one of the germ layers. Epithelial tissues rest on the basement membrane. Basement membrane is non-cellular layer. This is jelly-like substance. Basement membrane is non-cellular layer. This is jelly-like substance. The free surface of epithelial cells. These are the free surfaces. The free surface of epithelial cells expose the environment or body fluids. For example, epithelial tissue covers the body surfaces. It exposes the environment. It is the blood cells. Blood cells are lined by epithelial cells. These cells, the free surface of these cells exposes the body fluids, blood, etc. The cells of the epithelial cells. This is the basement membrane. These are the connective tissue. Basement membrane, epithelial tissue. Basement membrane is formed by partially epithelial tissue and partially connective tissue. Basement membrane has two regions. Basal lamina, reticular lamina. Basement membrane has two regions, basal lamina and reticular lamina. Basal lamina, this is basal lamina, this is reticular lamina. These two are consists of basement membrane. Basement membrane. Basal lamina is formed from epithelial tissue. Reticular lamina is formed from connective tissue. Connective tissue. Epithelial tissues are avascular. Important. Epithelial tissues are avascular. Epithelial tissues have avascular means blood vessels, A means absent. Epithelial tissues has no blood supply. These tissues obtains nourishment from the underlying tissues. Epithelial tissues are compactly packed. There is little amount of intercellular matrix. Little amount or negligible amount of intercellular matrix. The apical surface of the epithelial tissues are modified to form microvilli or stereocilia. Microvilli increase the area of absorption and stereocilia present in epididymis. Epididymis and inner ears. Stereocilia. The stereocilia are long and non-motile structures. These are non-motile because there is no infraciliary system. These stereocilia present in the epididymis and inner ears. Based on the number of layers, epithelium is divided into two types: simple epithelium, compound epithelium. Simple epithelium has single layer of cells. Compound epithelium more than two layers. Of cells. Simple epithelium consists of single layer of cells. Compound epithelium consists of more than two layers of cells. These are present in the simple epithelium, present in the lining of body cavity, ducts, tubes. These are present in the covering of body surface. Simple epithelium function. The function of simple epithelium: absorption, secretion. These function is protection. Based on the structural modification of cell. Based on the structural modification of cells, simple epithelium is divided into simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, simple columnar epithelium. First, simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium is a single layer of flattened cells. The boundaries of these cells are irregular in shape. These are looks like a tails. So, simple squamous epithelium also called pavement epithelium. The nucleus is ovoidal nucleus is ovoidal and the location is the centrally. ovoid nucleus present in the central leaf. Ovoid nucleus present in the central leaf. Next, these are present in the location of the simple squamous epithelium. Location: endothelium. Endothelium means the lining of blood vessel. The epithelium present in the blood vessel is called endothelium. The squamous epithelium present in the blood vessels is called endothelium. This is endothelium. Endothelium of blood vessels. Next, mesothelium. The squamous epithelium present in the body cavities is called mesothelium. Mesothelium. Body cavities. These are pleura, pericardium, peritoneum. Pleura, pericardium, peritoneum. Pleura. Pleura is a membrane that surrounds the lungs. Lungs are surrounded by a membrane called pleura. Pericardium. Heart is surrounded by double layer called pericardium. Peritoneum. These are the surrounds the body cavity layers. Parietal peritoneum, visceral peritoneum. Next, simple squamous epithelium present in the wall of the Bowman's capsule. Wall of the Bowman's capsule. This is the Bowman's capsule of nephron. Wall of the Bowman's capsule contains simple squamous epithelium. Next, alveoli of lungs. These are the alveoli. Alveoli of the lung contain simple squamous epithelium. The function of simple squamous epithelium is, these are formed by the diffusion membrane. These membranes helps for the diffusion of different types of fluids or gases. This is simple squamous epithelium. Next, simple cuboidal epithelium. These are cube-like cells. The nucleus is spherical nucleus. Nucleus is spherical and located centrally. These are present. Simple cuboidal epithelium present in gonads. This epithelium is called germinal epithelium. Simple cuboidal epithelium present in gonads is called germinal epithelium. This is also present in the nephrons of tubules of PCT and DCT, proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule. Proximal convoluted tubule consists of microvilli. The cuboidal epithelium present in the PCT contains microvilli. The function of simple cuboidal epithelium is secretion and absorption. Next, simple columnar epithelium. Simple columnar epithelial cells are tall, slender cells. The nucleus is oval-shaped nucleus present near the basal region. These cells contains goblet cells. These goblet cells secretes mucus. Simple columnar cells are tall, slender-like cells. The nucleus is oval-shaped and present basal region. These columnar cells contains goblet cells. These goblet cells secretes mucus. Simple columnar epithelium divides into ciliated columnar epithelium, non-ciliated columnar epithelium. This is the ciliated columnar epithelium. Ciliated, the apical surface of the columnar cells contains cilia. These are ciliated columnar epithelium. These ciliated columnar epithelial cells present in the hollow organs, inner lining of the hollow organs. These are the inner lining of the hollow organs. These ciliated columnar epithelium present in fallopian tubes, ventricles of brain, central canal of spinal cord, and bronchioles. These ciliated columnar epithelium helps for the move particles or mucus in a specific directions. Moves fluids or mucus in a specific directions. Next, non-ciliated columnar epithelium. These has no cilia. These are present in the stomach and intestine. Intestine, the apical part of the non-ciliated columnar epithelium in the intestine has microvilli. Important. Non-ciliated columnar epithelium present in the intestine has microvilli. These microvilli helps for the increase of absorption.